Hello everyone, this is Shane Norman with Graco. Today I'm going to show you how to service the swivel seals of your LDX hose reel. Now you can do this procedure while the hose reel is still mounted if there's enough space around the reel. You need to make sure that you first follow your pressure relief procedure in your manual and disconnect your inlet hose. The tools we need today are a snap ring pliers, a plastic pick, not a metal pick, and a little bit of grease. The first step in this process is to remove the outer snap ring. Do not remove the inner snap ring. Now we can remove the inlet shaft from the hose reel. Set that aside. And next we need to remove the second snap ring that's on the inside of the swivel assembly. Now these two snap rings are identical, so they are interchangeable. Set them aside. Now we're ready to remove first the backup washer and the spacer along with the seal. Now this process is the same for the air, water, oil, grease, or diesel exhaust fluid models. The seals will vary between the models. Now we want to make sure that the inside of the swivel assembly looks clean and free of debris, and that there's no major scoring on any of the internal components. And now we're ready to install our new seal. Before we install the seal, we're just going to add a little bit of grease on the seal itself and around the ID of the seal. That helps with the installation. Now we want to make sure that the lips of the seal are facing inward towards the reel itself when we install it. And now we'll add the spacer, followed by the backup washer. Now this model has a step on the backup washer, and that smaller step goes inward towards the reel. Now we're ready to reinstall our inner snap ring. Make sure that the snap ring is properly seated in the snap ring groove. Now we can reinstall the inlet shaft, followed by the outer snap ring. Again, make sure that the snap ring is in the snap ring groove. And now you're ready to return your LDX hose reel to service.